Esiema, 4 members of Parliament, I call Honorable Esiema, if independent, I could join MPP. We are filing 3 other members, no, if political party do more filing independent. Yembra no a no constitution no. Article 97 1 G and H. HSS or Moyasa not HSS say or advocate or seat. Na speaker so who to me say or Tessa say Oma yeti or parliament. Which ye stand order na and no speaker to 2 sana mo. Ne speaker ye ni na ne wambra kwan so say na so ye. Ne ba no sa no ntino. Ama ye NDC fu ana ye minority no se sia ya ye majority ye ho adoso ase abi before wo hwemra mu no sia no che se ye oha aduasansia na MPP for ye oha aduasan anum ama ye akoye majority na sa majority na ye mra kwan so na de ama ye na nya de a ye betutu bofo say the leader kai no ye be gina say ye majority na ye niema majority ye ye be ye niema ebeboa Ghana man na ye ma obia emetietie ye mfa ho di so ye gidi se speaker ni decision na o make ye no e mra kwan so obia entumi nsesa no na ye be gina say majority going forward with us na ye majority so ye nya no ye be bomodin ase sa brekitu ye de be ye niema bia ye nim say ha Ghana for example tax how many yen bibi to say you levy bibi say betting tax you bet to an more didn't tend to make sure say some running United States na Ghana for what all
Colleagues, I think if we don't have any other questions, we want to thank you very much for attending the maiden press conference of the majority caucus in Parliament. We thank you very much. Colleagues, let's join to sing this song. Revolution has a long way to go. That's time to sing. Revolution has a long way to go. That's time to sing. Cadence may go, cadence may come, but the revolution has come to stay. Revolution has a long way to go, but has come to stay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey.
Action a quick press conference. Majority for INR.
In 2020, and I said, oh, no, yes, our sources are captured. And right, we work more at them, my meeting. Send our movie in 2020, in January, send our military for the AF Parliament, Omubabe and Omubabe deploying military or transporting it. Say, Yaman retreat producing there. There were details of all the military officers that entered Parliament in 2020 and all that they did. And indeed, Ugunim said, the filing motion, but Yenim said, Yenim numbers is here. And to some military officers, we shall obviously demand demand justice for our colleagues that were wounded. And he said, they are coming to repeat the same thing. The people of this country shall resist any attempt by any miscreant, whoever they are, to enter the chamber of parliament in the 10th on Tuesday. We are the majority. We will take steps to show we are majority. I won't explain anything. But Nipa, whom we are body for, I catch on who say they are going to enter chamber in the chamber. The chamber of parliament is not for the police, it's not for the military. It's a house of the people. You cannot assault the people on the floor of parliament. That is the only way. You know who said, and yeah, and I've been not paying attention to in fact, constitution exists this. So in the first place, the speaker said, "You call under a tree to hold a meeting." That is a house of parliament. And he said, "Parliament is for the people." And he said, "We have to barricade ourselves anywhere that Mr. Speaker is sitting." MPs, we can sit in peace. In any case, we come from all across the country. We are not afraid of any individual because we represent the people. And say, and there is no problem. We are just saying, that we have sat there during the recall, we sat there now, there was no problem. It is the intel said, they are coming to deploy military and police. That is what we are talking about. And I can tell you, we shall resist. That will not happen again. Very early, just to make sure and we shall do whatever it takes to show that we are majority. Everybody in this country knows we are majority. My very good friend, Honorable Afenu Makin, is the new minority leader. He must, basically leave his minority leader status. But he said, Dr. Baumia, teaching us that the shortest means he should be talking economics and other things. We shall show him that we are the majority. We shall show Dr. Baumia is the majority. The damage is done to this country. We should go and explain it to people. Meaning, more last days here from what we are seeing, well, and the speaker said, as the majority leader, the only fight in parliament is a fight against poverty, a fight against galamsey, a fight against corruption. Said, me, I will assault a colleague. That will never happen because we are civilized people. The fight in parliament that time happened because the military and the police, under the instruction of government officials, entered parliament and assaulted us. Members of parliament were tasered by this individual. We have their pictures, videos, and everything. We shall seek accountability or justice at the right time.
Honorable, just quickly, in terms of the elections on the second deputy speaker, is that expected to happen on Tuesday?
Well, it has to happen because we currently don't have a second deputy speaker of parliament. My very good friend, Honorable Isiama, a very good friend of mine, knows he's crossed the line and he's no longer a member of parliament. So when you're a member of parliament, a second deputy speaker. So that position is vacant.
So we're going to elect him on Tuesday.
Let's get to the house on Tuesday.
The separation of powers. How do you say Supreme Court and Parliament and Supreme Court? They are not here.
We are MPs. The separation of powers. We take instruction from the Speaker. The executive takes instruction from the president. The judiciary takes instruction from the chief justice. I don't remember the last time I hear Mrano and chief justice the Becca and said, delete and I said, yes, I'm the orphan area. I'm not aware of.
Okay, just a safe way of independence here, Mutrese or Muko independence. More a year more free, baby, almost say, or must have been say, or Muko independent. And I said, no, so much you baby.
Nobody said anybody has to serve them. Article 97(1)G and H is clear. Said from the day of filing, you should not even step foot in the chamber because it would have amounted to a crime. Deception. You are now not part of parliament. And if the constitution now has said you have to come and inform anybody. In any case, we have notice of post from the electoral commission. Say Honorable Andrew Esiama is now the parliamentary candidate for NDC. What platform you want him to come and explain what? That is why none of them has actually come to deny the fact that oh, we have filed or we have crossed the line. So that is not even an
And to say Abasa, no, not just an go for no, Omuni representation, Ewaha. Then I didn't see a majority, we won't push it, say, Omubanya representation rather.
Nasa, the Nipa Mugusa, the Umunya Nipa. For the past 4 years, the same electoral commission and the judiciary worked together with the NDC to deny the people of Sao without representation for 4 years. And to beat me and your 4 years, I mean, he said 2 years, 2 months, they'll beat me.
And the end was a sir,
that is the situation.
Still staying with the majority position, and you saying you've acquired lawfully, there's
I am the
a concern that you might struggle to be able to carry out some of the policies you've made here of removing or repealing the e-levy and other taxes because Article 108, those businesses have to be brought by government. The government
no,
doesn't do
Article 108.
but for attempts to reduce, you might struggle to outrightly remove these taxes.
No, there's nothing in the Constitution that says we can't do that. That we can reduce, we can't increase. That is basically what.
So you seek to reduce?
Removal of e-levy is a reduction, is not an increase. We are not imposing tax on anybody. It is we are removing tax, so we can do that. In any case, you remember sometimes when they bring appropriation bill, we can take things out of it.
Outside of that, there's a concern of the numbers. 136 as against 135. They make the argument that you might not form the clear majority based on the 275 original constitution of the Parliament.
Very good question. That is why we said that the new composition of Parliament is no longer 275. The physical number of people in Parliament now is less by 4. So the calculation in terms of a clear majority would be the people available divided by the number you need to take a decision. So that doesn't even come into question.
So you will
yes, 136. 136 is the new majority. 135 is the new minority.
Concerns of chaos continue to be raised. I'm sure you've attempted to respond.
The only chaos will be when our colleagues who are in the minority now refuse to accept that they are in the minority. You understand? This is quite clear. The interesting thing is that no member of the media is denying the fact that these 4 colleagues actually have filed, which is the basis of what the Constitution is talking about. All of you have confirmed that our colleagues have filed and they have crossed the line and they are in breach of Article 97(1) G and H. So that is not in question. That is why some people have been querying what some of the things that they claim came from the court, which I'm not aware. So there's no problem about fighting. Nobody is going to fight. You and I know where the majority sits in Parliament. Like the majority sits where on the right hand side of the speaker, and then the minority sits on the left hand side. Is that not the case?
And you sit on the right hand side.
Let's get to the house and we shall see.
But my little difficulty is that the speaker, when he gave the ruling, still referred to another opinion as the majority.
I don't remember exactly what he said. But the speaker said the colleagues have actually left. So what about that? Thank you very much.
Thank you all. We are going. I think my guys.
Like I said, the expectation all eyes really on Tuesday.
Majority, as I said, we are still going down.
Yes. I see my papers in my
Let me quickly try and then read some of my comments. I want to say, so you are happy saying, okay. Let me read some of my comments, both on Facebook and then on YouTube. And this, on the 6th floor, that is where the press conference was held, Parliament House. Your friend, maybe as I say one more time, this is the room to say and what is happening is I guess will be coming sound now. Sound, and I think it's okay. If it is not, let me know in the comment section. I think the sound is okay. And this is the quality house. I think job 600. Maybe at NDC office. I want to walk on the sea floor. When we did this press conference, but interestingly, let me give you the video as we struggle to make sure that. Give it to me, I can't say and send me in. Let me give you this. Both a year, majority and minority. Who's your friends?
After our Thursday episode, after the Thursday banter, which is titled A. He's now 45. When I turned 45 in May, he's a small boy. So May, June, July. So I'm giving him a treat. Okay? I'm giving him a treat. If he misbehaves in Parliament again,
you deal with him.
I will deal with him. And I'm looking more handsome this year than the birthday boy. Are you sure? So after our Thursday episode, after the Thursday banter, which is titled A. He's now 45. When I turned 45 in May, he's a small boy. So May, June, July. So I'm giving him a treat. Okay? I'm giving him a treat. If he misbehaves in Parliament again,
you deal with him.
I will deal with him. And I'm looking more handsome this year than the birthday boy. Are you sure? So